Come with me as I make Moringa Essence, my herbal deep cleansing bar soap inspired by nature and made with love. I started by preparing my herbal infusion, dried moringa leaves. Next, I carefully mix the lye with the herbal water. This step is crucial. Always protect your skin and let the solution cool. Then came my blends of oils, nourishing shea butter, cleansing coconuts, palm kernel oils, all melted and ready for the magic. Once both mixtures reach the right temperature, I combine them and make the magic of saponification begin. To boost skin benefit, I added moringa powder, kaolin clay, and a dash of castor oil for extra lather. After everything was well blended, I poured it into the soap mold and gave it a character. You see that styling on top with a spoon? Yeah. And for a final touch, I decorated the top with moringa root, a symbol of power and purity in this bar soap.